So both machines have counters, inch counters that come with them, that fit them but do not come with them. They're a separate accessory. It's a different counter for the CB56 and the XS60 just because of the distance between the guide roller and the back wall of the paste wheel. And these two, the bracket on the counters are a little bit different. So it is specific, the counter bracket is specific to the machine. So now to go over some of the features of the XS60. As implied by the name, it is a 60-inch wide machine, capable of handling machine materials up to 60 inches in width. For that reason, it is preferred by some installers that hang more digital graphics that come in wider formats, and also for wider fabrics and things of that nature. It is a lighter weight machine, so it is preferred by installers that don't want the bulk and weight of moving the CB56. And it has a few different features. So it does not have the spoiler plate as we just showed on the CB56, and the gears are internal to the paste wheel. So the gears are on the rollers. This also has a feed roller underneath the paste roller, scraper bar, same as the CB56, but the gears are housed inside the paste wheel. So you do not have the amount of torque that you're going to get off the CB56. So this is again not rated for clay-based adhesive. This works with your 880, 838, 234, 780, all those bases, just not rated for straight clay-based adhesive. So it's going to cover most of your bases except that one. One additional feature that I like on the 60, this is a carryover from the old XS29s and XS40 residential machines. You have this front plate so that if you do have any trash in your paste that starts showing up on your roller as you're pulling, you can pull that box plate off and you can clean, pull whatever little bit of trash is in your paste, put that back in place and start over. As you see, you have your guide roller down here that is also gear driven. A little bit smaller paste roller and a smaller paste well capacity. As I said, it is a 4-gallon paste well capacity versus the 5-gallon of the CB56. Lighter in weight for the whole setup by about 30 pounds. Very mobile. You have locking casters on the front, non-locking casters on the back. Again, you have the booking tables that come with both machines with a cutting edge on the back edge. So you have the choice. You can either use this as your cutting point for zeroing out your counter, or you can cut along this cutting edge, which you have on your lid of both machines. They're both very good choices. I like using both of these machines. They're excellent for what they're made to do, best on the market, but there are some fundamental differences, and hopefully through looking at this video, you'll be able to see some of those differences and maybe discern which one is better suited for your needs and what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. As I said, the CB56 seems to be more popular among your everyday commercial vinyl hangers. It is a workhorse. It also has the ability, one thing I failed to mention is this machine comes from the factory with the ability to have a motor drive mounted onto it. It is a motor, there's a conversion kit that has to go along with it. The lid is changed, there's an extra guide roller added and a motor. But by adding that motor, it becomes a totally assisted pulling mechanism to where the machine you can pull. It is a clutched motor, and as you pull, there's very little effort. So this machine comes from the factory with already pre-drilled for that conversion. But that conversion is another video. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Pro Hanger Supply. That's www.prohangersupply.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for your time.